A white-knuckle drive through whiteout conditions. Up above, thunder snow with flashes of lightning. And booms. This is life inside the lake effect bands, which rolled in overnight like a wall of snow.
So the snow's just heavy. It's wet, it's crappy, it's hard to push, so it's really hard to keep up with.
And it's going to keep falling well into the weekend, pushing up into Buffalo, prompting widespread driving bans.
When 3 to 4 to 5 inches an hour, you can't beat it. You are going to get stuck.
Something this Torontonian found out the hard way.
It's horrible. I don't know. I've never driven a storm like this before. This is my first time, and it's crazy.
It's tough.
A little shoveling.
Is it front-wheel drive?
It's all-wheel drive, yeah.
A little sand.
Yeah.
And they're free. And having second thoughts about this trip.
I'm thinking of returning back to Canada.
Many others south of the city have been stuck for hours.
This is probably where my car is. The top of my car is probably here, and all that is snow. So I don't know when I'll get it out, but maybe next week.
And yet they recognize this could be one for the history books.
This is one of the worst major ones that we've had, that I can remember anyway, in quite a few years.